Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you change your gender or select your gender on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on edit profile, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on gender here, just click on it. So then here can you select your gender here. If you are male or female or other here, can you select it? That's all I wish know you are it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.